Do you know that MrBeast already know the videos he's gonna shoot 6 months from now or 1 year from now? Because he has a team that all their job is to focus on bringing out video ideas and strategizing it and planning it ahead of time. In this video, I'm going to help you understand the kind of strategies they use to craft and identify video ideas, not just video ideas, but high viral video ideas that is going to do well even if they upload it or if they shoot it in the next 12 months from now. Prepared this whole thing from studying MrBeast videos and how they do it, his team and everything. For those that are just coming to this channel for the first time, my name is Zeno the Great. I take a whole lot of time to study high-performing YouTube channels and identify what they're doing, how they're doing it, the things you can do to improve your own videos as a creator. The first thing on the list, scale existing ideas. MrBeast team takes a normal idea, makes it 100 times bigger. That is what we mean by scale existing ideas. Bringing this down to one of his videos, MrBeast will always do something like, how many cars will it take to stop a train? Now you already know that, okay, this is a train. It's an existing idea. There is a train. People already know what a train is. People already know what a car is. People already know what stopping a train means. Now him doing it 100 times bigger, he's now talking about how many cars it takes to stop a train. He's trying to enlarge the ideology. He's trying to make it bigger. And you, as the one that is going to click on the video, if he does that kind of video, you'll be like, okay, wait, how many cars does it take to stop a moving train? You want to know because you're kind of curious, okay? And MrBeast team, if you want to do a video like that, you can actually try it out. That would actually be a good video to do, you know. That's just by the way. But that is just an example of scaling existing ideas, okay? Making something 100x bigger. For example, you can say, I built the biggest toy in the whole universe. I built the biggest cinema house. Now that is scaling something 100 times bigger. And I remember there was a time MrBeast made a video of them running a marathon on the biggest shoes in the planet. That is something that we already know. We already know, okay, this is a marathon. People run into shoes. Now, running with the biggest shoe on the planet is something scaling, curiosity based. People will want to know why, and that is what we mean by scaling an existing idea. Now, another thing here on my notepad is reinvent proven formats. What do we mean by reinventing proven formats? MrBeast always does game shows, experiments, survival, competition. These things are already proven formats. People already love competitions, okay? People will always love competition. Even if you continue to do millions of videos on competition, people will always watch it because it's something that is proven to work. And another thing is survival. People will always watch survival video. Surviving this, I survived 100 days. MrBeast did one. He survived 7 days in a deserted island. He survived 7 days in pyramid. He survived 7 days. Survived 7 days buried. People will always watch survival videos, experiment videos. I experimented this, I did this, I tried this, I tried that. Game shows, beast games, okay? People are always interested in those kind of things. That's what we mean by reinventing proven formats, okay? You use something that is working and you try to reinvent it and make it better, make it time X, you make it better and better and better. Another thing on my list is use universal desires. That is what we mean by using universal desires. There is some desires that are universal. People have personal desires, okay? But there are some desires that are universal. That is why you have extended audience. If you make a video that is under universal desires, a whole lot of millions of people are going to watch it. That means that the video is not only for children, it's not only for kids, it's not only for women, it's not only for men, but the video has a universal desire. That means kids, mom, dad, children, old and young can watch the video. And MrBeast team always target that audience, okay? They make their video in a way that anyone can watch it, and that is why they're raking in millions of views. That is another thing. And the things that I can list out here for you that are under these universal desires are money. That is another important one. Money is under universal desires. Everyone loves money to say. Anyone enjoys money. Another one is survival. People love survival. Old person love watching survival video. Kids, everyone loves watching survival because all of us, one day or two, we have to survive doing something. Another one is luxury. Everyone loves luxury. No one hates something that looks luxurious or good. Everyone loves flashy supercars. Everyone loves luxurious homes and exotic, luxurious dates and stuff. Another one is competition. Another one is generosity. These things are under universal desires. So if you can craft video ideas around these things, millions of people are going to be interested in watching them. Another thing in our list is simple what if brainstorming. This is another place that Jimmy uses to crack the internet. There are some videos you see on MrBeast channel that you will never see on any other platform. For example, him bringing squad game to life, and that video is actually the most watched video on MrBeast channel on his long form videos, and also one of the most expensive videos Jimmy has ever shot on his YouTube videos. He spent millions of dollars on that video, and that is trying to bring simple what if into reality. Okay, brainstorming what if. What if we do this? What if we make this happen? For example, you say, okay, what if you drive with your leg? For example, imagine if you make a video and you say, I drove 24 hours in a day using only my legs. People are going to be like, wait, what? How did you drive 24 hours using your legs? That is what if. What if we do this? Is this possible? Can we do it? And if you watch Jimmy from his podcasts and interviews, you all see that sometimes him and his team, when they are brainstorming video ideas, they will always ask questions. Jimmy will always be like, what if we do this? Is this possible? Is this something we can do? And some people will be like, no, nobody has ever done that kind of thing before. He will be like, is it possible? Can we do it? Because they have the resources, okay? He has one of the biggest media company in the whole world. So they have the resources, they have the people, they have the engineers. Can you create this thing? Can we make the biggest pizza in the whole planet? That is exploring what if ideas. Not just only MrBeast can do this. There are also simple things that wouldn't require a whole lot of resources or money or things like that. Just simple ideas. Just have to brainstorm and try. What if we do this? What if I try to make a video of this thing? Something that has not been done before or something, okay? Another one is escalation series. Same concept, bigger each time. MrBeast always used this idea. That is why he has made a video on 50 biggest YouTubers fight for $1 million. He has done 30 celebrities fight for $1 million. He has done 50 streamers fight for $1 million. Now, this is escalation series. Same concept, but bigger each time. The last one, which was the streamers own, was bigger than the YouTubers own. It was more creative, more crazy, more fun, and more entertaining. So you make it bigger every time. If once you see that this series is working well, you can make it every other time. You can always make sure it's bigger, better. He also used this concept on when he was doing the $1 versus 1 million series, okay? He also did that. Okay, he repeated the series every time. I'm also making it bigger. For example, $1 house versus $1 million house, $1 island versus $1 million private island, something like that. Always making it bigger. Once you see that the series is working, you can try to escalate it, make it bigger, more exciting, more entertaining, and more better. This is another thing that Jimmy always uses. Another thing there is real life video game logic. This is something that MrBeast always uses. Okay, and you can use this to actually craft a good video idea. You see that MrBeast uses levels, real life video game logic, something like levels. Because on games, you have to win this to move to the next level. MrBeast always use levels, always use rewards. Okay, you can win $1,000, you can win $10,000 on that level. You can win a house, you can win a car, you can win a ticket or something. Another one is elimination. These are game logic, but MrBeast uses it in his video. You can try them out. Okay, people are interested in this, and even though we use it on video games, but people are interested. If you put these things together, you can get a good video idea, and your video can go viral and hold retention. People can sit down and watch it. Another one is bosses. Who is the boss? This one is the team leader. This one is this, and the other one. Try these things out. Another strategy they use is physical stakes. Real environments, digital challenges. MrBeast used this. He used physical stakes, he used real environment. They are real things. You can bring Minecraft in real life, you can do a whole lot of things in real life and add a whole lot of challenges, digital and everything, to bring it together to make a very good video, and you will watch it and you will enjoy it and you will love it. So you can also try that strategy too. Another one is spectacle first thinking. Idea must look insane visually. Idea must look insane visually. So when you're trying to craft a good video idea that will go viral, you can try to use this strategy in a way that you can try to see if that video idea looks insane visually. If it's something that will look insane, if it's something that will look entertaining, if it's something that people will be interested to sit down for an hour or for 15 minutes or 30 minutes to watch. It needs to look insane. It needs to look shocking. It needs to look entertaining. It needs to look rewarding. People need to feel that, okay, there should be something that people should be getting from that particular video. Another one is mass appeal. That is the 9th thing on our list. Anyone in the world can understand the idea. Very simple. If you want to craft a good video idea that will go viral, that you want people to watch, millions of people to watch, you need to make sure that it has mass appeal. A good example of this is 50 streamers, 50 YouTubers surviving a private island, survive being buried. Everybody can be buried. Okay, we all die, we all being buried all around the world. It's not kind of people's tradition, even though there are some people that don't like to bury, but it has a whole mass appeal. People love streamers, people love YouTubers, people love celebrity. Okay, and when you gather 30 of the most known celebrated celebrities all around the world into a particular place, they all have audience, they all have people that love them. Okay, so if you're making video with, for example, cars, gadgets, food, or different other things, these are the things that have mass idea or mass appeal. People eat food, okay, people travel, people use cars, people use gadgets, people like movies. Okay, these are things that has mass appeal. Anyone in the world can watch the video. So if anyone in the world can watch your video, it's not actually centered on United States or Africa or any other part of the planet or country or a specific country or stuff like that, then it's good. That means the video can get millions of views. But if your video centers only on a particular group of location or people or stuff, depending on the kind of video you're doing, if it's too good, then that means if your audience are good from that angle, you can go ahead with it. But if you need something that will do millions of views, like MrBeast level of videos, then you need to make sure that the video idea has mass appeal. Anyone in the world can watch it. Any gender can watch it. Very necessary. Another point is stateable and repeatable. Ideas can be repeated with variation. Just like I said, MrBeast did 50 streamers fight for $1 million. He did 50 YouTubers fight for $1 million. He did 30 celebrities fight for $1 million. He also did a series of $1 versus $1 million island, $1 versus $1 million restaurant, $1 versus $1 million meal, those kind of things. Okay, it's an idea that you can repeat with variation. Okay, you can change what is there. $1 versus $1 million island. And the next video can be $1 versus $1 million car, something like that. Variations. These are another thing. If you see a video that is working well on your channel, video that you have done before in the past and is working massively well, you can see if you can repeat it again, but this time using a different style, a different variation, using a different object or different item or location or idea, but the same video, okay, but from a different angle, different variation. And if you do that, your video will still do well, to still get good views. I'm so happy to share this video. It's actually one of my favorite videos. Studying these things have helped me a lot. I've learned a whole lot, and if you want to continue learning on how to be a better creator, do better, understand your content journey and content format and strategies, we are going to be dropping a whole lot of videos, studies from all these different big creators. I'm going to be studying different big creators like MrBeast and the rest, and identify what they're doing well their mistakes and how you can apply this on your own videos. These videos are videos that are meant for you to help you become better and win in the game of content creation and your YouTube journey. I know you put in a lot of work, and I know that you want your journey to be good and you want to succeed. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel, you just have to learn from those that are doing it well and apply some of these things on your own videos. And I know it's something that is going to work because people are already doing it. And if MrBeast is doing it and it's working for him, why not you try it out on your own video? I love you, and I know that it's going to be a good time the next time we see.